Anyway.
All right, moving ahead. This is looking pretty good. So you got the basic seat is done,
Yeah, I'm just working on the armrest.
and it'll fall down, right?
Yeah.
How do you do that? Little lever back here.
Lever on the side, yeah.
Okay, hit that lever and you can pull it forward.
Yeah.
Go way back. Only you don't have room to go way back. And you've got a panel here, so this will cover and then just snap in.
Yeah.
All these little clips right here. You can kind of see them.
Yeah.
And you've already drilled the
Yeah,
frame.
I drilled the frame.
All you got to do is figure out where the holes go.
You gotta find the holes.
Poke some holes.
But I can feel them. There's one right there.
So now you're doing the armrest.
The armrest, yeah.
So that's their existing foam. Are you just making the pattern?
Yeah, yeah. Anyway, now I gotta, this goes here. Then I'll fold up under here, and then I'll have a flap that goes down here, comes back here, and covers up the mechanism.
And stretch it on and glue
Stretch it on, yeah.
That's just a stretch and glue, no staple.
Playing, yeah, disco, you know, disco here and disco there.
Disco there. Yeah. So we got the disco going on with Mike's car.
Yep.
Well, good. So you should have plenty of
Yeah,
plenty of
I'll
hide
have to
left.
put some accents in the door panels and stuff, you know, to tie it all together.
Yep.
Think about doing the windlace out of this too, you know, up around the door.
Yep.
And probably the overhead console. And,
Well, cool.
That was a big hide. It just keeps going.
That is a big hide. That was a big cow.
Yeah. Big old heifer.
So seat's starting to take shape.
Yeah, it's about that.
Okay, so who's this now? Who am I talking to?
Harold Ham,
Harold.
Goldsby,
And
Oklahoma.
then your buddy.
And that's my brother-in-law.
Okay, you got your brother-in-law. Okay.
Yeah, we
So you
drove
guys are
over-
from Oklahoma.
We drove over here to pick this fine ride up.
Okay, so you're getting one of the go-karts.
Yes.
And who you building this for?
This is for my great-granddaughter.
Great-granddaughter.
Yes, two of them.
So the reason you're, well, not the reason you're on video, but you said you're building it for your great-granddaughter, and she watched the video and you said it's already been on.
Yes, we watched the YouTube videos, and it was the car was already on TV before we ever even got home.
There you go. So what color is it going to be?
She wants pink.
Pink. All right.
I think it'll
What's her name? Her first name?
Layla.
Layla.
Layla and
Laylan. All right. Pink. Does she have a name for it yet?
No.
Well, when she watches this video, you know.
She will have a name.
Yeah,
for
you
it.
got to have a name for it. Are you building the chassis and everything?
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, from scratch.
That's something we should probably do and offer as a kit. We just never done it.
Yes. Yes, you could.
I took one time years and years ago and widened up a tractor and all kinds of stuff and actually put it on a yard tractor. It just saved a lot of time we had it. I gave it to my nephew when he was like young. Now he's old and got kids.
I've got a golf cart
Uh-huh.
that we've destroyed to turn around and use parts off
Okay.
to build this back with.
Yeah, I almost thought about making this into the golf cart kind of version, but it'd take a lot of work. Man, we've sold a lot of these. Shriners and all kind. There's a lot of them out there.
Yeah.
And it's crazy. You see a lot of them that's exact same. They look exactly like this. Well, they all came from the mold that this one came from.
Oh, really?
So we got the original, but
Oh, okay.
everybody copies everybody, so I'm not complaining. But
Well, it was just an internet search. I got on there looking for fiberglass bodies,
uh-huh.
and eventually y'all popped up. And I thought originally that y'all were up north somewhere, Wisconsin, Minnesota, someplace.
Well, I'm a Chicago boy from when I grew up there,
really?
but don't tell anybody.
That was
I've been here a long
that
time.
was so far away.
Yep.
And then I thought, Arkansas, I found
No,
something
Oklahoma,
in
you just come
Arkansas.
across the
I said,
Cherokee you come across the Cherokee Turnpike and get on 412 and
Here we
zip
come.
over here. Yeah.
Here we come.
Well, good.
So,
Excellent. Yeah, we got
we're ready to get it home and get started on
we
it.
got a back door over here. Why don't I open that and you can back up over here and we're
Okay.
good to go.
All right, thank you.
There's a 1932 go-kart going home.
We're back in first.
Gonna get built for a great grandkid.
I think so. I think that'd be.
I don't know what that howling was about. I missed that part. I was turning the camera on. But we're detailing it out a little bit. It looks
that look better?
much better, yes.
Yeah, very nice.
So you move that up a little bit. Looking good.
Yeah.
You know what I just found out?
Well,
Josh is cleaning his desk.
Josh is cleaning his desk.
And we've got some stuff from Christmas.
Oh my
We've got stuff from Christmas?
From Christmas that we never got here.
Are you kidding me?
So, and I don't even know what it is. So maybe we better. Attention, Gibby and Dave.
Ooh, Dave!
So
You
this
open
is
it
from
up. You
Indianapolis. Reliable Fab. I bet this is Scott. I bet this comes from Scott.
Open it up,
You,
Gibby.
I always get mail. Not
He
always.
says I always.
You
Not
always get
always.
everything, Gibby. That's for sure.
Oh, it's $100 bill.
Oh,
Thanks, Gibby.
No, we're
it's
gonna-
my name on there too, right?
No, it just said Gibby and Dave.
Stickers.
Studman.
Studman. Well, that can't possibly be for you, Gibby.
All right,
No, it ain't.
Reliable Fab and Manufacturing Incorporated.
Is that Scott? Does he say on there? That's Scott. Told you.
Scott Stemman.
Okay. Has he got
I
anything
enjoy
good?
the videos BC put together with the progress of the builds and all the other shenanigans
Shenanigans.
They don't know the half of this.
that
thing.
They
go
don't have a
on there
clue.
at Spirit. I know you guys collect stickers, and I received a couple the other day, and I thought I would send them to you. Although they are not really automotive related, I think you will like them. I have built 2 Spirit cars,
Ooh.
C-Cab 27 Roadster, and attached one of Bob's bucket bashes, whatever that is.
A bucket bash.
Buckethead bash.
All right. I hope someday to build a 29 A-Rod sedan. I've always enjoyed doing business with Bob and Josh. You can check out the video I did.
It was a really
for
cool
my
seat. They're both
C-Cab
cool, but that
on
C-Cab was awesome.
YouTube.
He needs a wide body now.
BC
Yeah.
seems to have a great team with Gibby and Dave, Eddie and Daryl, Josh and Eric.
We don't call them these two the knuckleheads
Keep
for
up.
nothing.
Thank you, Scott.
Oh, that couldn't be. It can't be for you.
Yeah.
It says Studman.
There's one for you.
You know, I was just put that on my forehead.
Oh, and then okay. So while we're doing it, this came too.
All right, you open up that one and read that one, Gibby.
Well, this is for this is for me.
That's for Bob.
You can open it though. I can't believe we're just now opening our.
It's a Christmas card.
It's a Christmas. No, it's a Christmas card.
To all of you, Merry Christmas.
Whoa!
What do you mean, whoa?
Donato!
What?
Money.
Money?
Woo! Eddie, Gibby, Dave. $5 each. I don't see Bob in there anywhere.
no.
Oh, Bob,
Here,
you got
wait,
stoned.
I'll hand it out.
No. Okay, it says, BC and staff. As Christmas comes, this message brings warm thoughts and wishes to you for special joy, a life, best things, always, for all of you. Merry Christmas.
YouTube viewer
From
Henry.
YouTube viewer Henry.
Gotta be Henry,
Henry.
Hot
A
Rod.
Vietnam combat vet.
All right.
Thank you, Henry.
Thank you,
Henry.
Henry.
Hot Rod, Henry?
No, it's a YouTube watcher.
Oh, he's
A
just
YouTube watcher.
Yeah. Thank you, Henry.
Well, I just gave you guys $20 for toilet paper. I think you should pay me back
Wow. We'll get the next time.
Thank you.
now. Okay. No, it wasn't how when it hit the floor.
Okay.
Okay, so we have an armrest.
Yeah, have an armrest.
You won't see through it because it'll have a back to it.
Yeah,
Oh, you know what that means now, though.
that's what this is.
Yeah, okay. you're gonna put the hide it behind it.
Yep.
Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so that'll. So you'll
Like
just
down
glue
here at
that to the
bottom,
thing
it
there.
hides this, goes through here
Uh huh.
and around,
That'll hide that.
and then it comes up here.
Wow. So you thought about that.
Snug as a bug in the rug.
Yeah, it looks good. Pop it up. Let's see it popped up. Yeah, that looks good.
That'll work, won't it?
That'll work. So I'd say it's done,
Except for the back.
except for the back
Yeah.
and the rest of it. But except for that, it's done.
And all I like finishing up.
I was just gonna throw that in, but I knew you were gonna give me it, so I didn't even have to prompt that one.
Right.
So all we lack is finishing it up.
Right, all I like finishing up.
All right, so very good. One seat, leather. Okay, Herschel and I are sanding, and you can see I'm sanding. I'm sanding.
Yeah.
So this is the windshield post.
Yeah.
We've been waiting forever to get them. We don't have the other steel. I'd rather send them out and chrome them, but
Yeah.
so we're telling stories to each other. So it's your story time.
Well, I went to the church camp with a guy. They invited me to preach at church camp.
Okay.
And you're talking about a guy having a sermon without ever opening his mouth. This other preacher stayed in the room with me. I get up early. Well, he beat me up, and I looked outside the first morning, still dark. He was in my car, and he was in the car going, you know, he was going. And I watched him the second morning. I said, what is he doing?
If I'm shaking, it's because I'm thinking of an ending
And
here.
I'm going,
I don't know how this is
what
going
in
to
the
go.
world is Jim doing?
Okay.
And finally, the third day, I said, Jim, I got to ask you what you're doing. He said, well, every day I read the whole armor of God and I put it on.
Oh, there you go.
And he puts the helmet, the breastplate,
Okay.
the belt, all of it on. And
Okay.
he was doing it every day, and I've never forgotten that.
Okay.
Because I told him, I said, you don't know how that impressed me. Your life that you live has always shown me you were a good man. But what you do in private, it's showing too, brother. I said,
Yep.
thank you for lifting me up. I'm going to start doing that, and I do that.
Well, for me, I got to hold on to something. So when I shod my feet with God's blood, full of these, I need to hold on to something. Whoa! Oh no!
There you go.
When I
But
bend over.
it's really
And my
neat.
belt, I can put the belt on, but it's pretty
Yeah.
tight anymore.
You know, it's just like I was telling my folks. I had a young boy get saved Sunday, and I've been rejoicing ever since. But you know,
I'm cleaning
he's
up a
one
mess
of
while I
them
may
that
go.
says, "Show-
You don't-
so they can see us by your good works, they cannot speak evil against you. That's my scripture today.
Okay.
Live your life pleasing unto God, and it will show up.
Okay, well, I'm going to put on the breastplate of righteousness
Amen.
right after I clean up the table here.
I get it. I get that.
Oh, we'll both get it.
Amen.
What do you think? You putting the shine on there?
Look at it, boy. She's cleaning it up.
Good. I need to get this one. So now that we got all our mess cleaned up at the table, I need to clean up the mess over here. All right, well, I guess it's getting the shine on it, but boy, this is not the way to do it. I need to get this material so I can get it and weld it and send it to the chromer instead of this polished and aluminum stuff. But anyway, we got this one. I'll work on getting the rest of them. All right, we're finishing the day. Hey, that looks pretty good.
Not bad, not bad.
Did you check? Does the grill show go over the top of all that? You didn't check, or it doesn't?
I didn't check.
No, it will. It'll go on top of that. No problem. No problemo. Okay, I'm liking that. Kind of cleaned up a little bit. I don't like the way you're laughing there.
Did you get my pulse?
No, I did not. All this time, I've been buffing on Randy's windshield frame.
Ooh, how does it look?
I'm buffing on Randy's windshield frame. It looks good. It's just,
I was
man.
hoping to put that in tonight.
Randy's windshield frame?
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
You gotta make the glass, don't you?
I gotta make the glass.
You
Yeah.
didn't want to rush that.
So you're getting the radiator hooked up.
Yeah?
Man, it's starting to look like a finished motor though.
Yeah.
I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Oh, while you're messing around?
Messing around?
While you're messing around.
Yeah.
You're messing around like all day, messing around. Why don't you put the contraption you made for the hood latch back on?
Oh!
The latch is in there.
Oh, yeah.
It's got to go there.
Yeah. Where's our O-ring kits at? We had like 4 of them sitting over there. They're all gone. I can't find none.
Oh, I took it up to the glass shop.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know why I took the AC ones. You want the AC ones, right?
The green ones? Well, I want to put a rubber O-ring on this.
Oh, okay.
Right here, because that's what keeps it from rubbing and it'll seal it.
Well, those are over in my box, my wiring box.
Okay.
There wasn't none of those there.
Okay.
They're somewhere. So we can hook up the wiring for the fans.
Yeah. And we need an overflow tank, don't we?
Yeah. So,
Oh, did you see this?
no. Oh, yes. I knew it was there.
Oh, did you?
So there you go, Mike. Yeah.
Wow.
That'll be cool.
So, no
The
fuel
bumpers?
tank yet, though.
Oh, I'll look on getting that
Okay.
up. It's around here somewhere.
It's around here. We Yeah, fine. Must be upstairs, man.
Yep. All right. Yeah. So there it is. This will be the end of today's video because it's almost the end of the day.
Is it?
Yeah, pretty much.
No.
5 o'clock anyway. Did you
I
see?
need
Did
no
you see
rain.
did you see what I brought you?
No, what'd you bring me? I hope it's sweet.
Of course, it's sweet. Anne had a dream.
She had a dream. A
She
vision.
was a dream.
Peanut butter?
She was eating chocolate cake with peanut butter frosting.
Uh-huh.
So she woke up and she made chocolate cupcakes with peanut butter frosting because she wanted one.
One.
So there was a bunch of them. Actually,
definitely need milk.
there was a bunch of them.
You've been eating them all day, haven't you?
I had started last night. I ate most of them, and then I left them in the car. Yeah, I ate more than half of them, but they're gone. So there we go. Van and Pete. Actually, it's looking pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Wipe it down. We should put a cover on that so it doesn't get too nasty.
Mm-hmm. Looks good.
It does look. It looks mean. I like the way that
Mm-hmm.
cover's on there. It looks like it belongs in there.
I like it.
Yeah.
I
Very
love
good.
it.
Very good.